the ingredients are in there, and there's barely right there. Milk, I'm using almond milk because lactose intolerant. Let me whisk. Did I say I'm making crepe? I'm making crepe by the way because I'm craving the Nutella crepe. While I was at H Mart, I'm not one for impulse buys, but I'm planning on changing up my room. It's like those tap things and they change color. This is my attempt to change my schedule because right now I'm pretty behind. I'm gonna try to get ahead with all my notes and stuff. Oh my, I don't know how this happened. This can be fixed. This can be fixed. I have a sink again. This is the happiest moment in my life. I got an electric toothbrush because apparently I brushed my teeth too hard, which is also apparently really bad. Cute. First time making something like this design. It's so cute. And then I made a bunny one. Good morning. I woke up at 5. I took a cold shower, but I feel like the Philippines prepared me for this. I don't think cold showers are something I could ever get used to, but there's a study where it's supposed to release dopamine for a few hours. I'll be going to Pilates as soon as I'm done getting ready. I've never done it before. I'm excited. So pretty. I just got done with Pilates. I think I'm gonna go to Starbucks now after I put my stuff away. I'm gonna quickly get ready and get studying. Hello. We're gonna be going to IKEA because I'm gonna do a room makeover. Well, not really. Just like a little room makeover. I'm out because we have a group project to do. We're gonna work on that and we're just going to a cafe. Let's get this cleaned up. Right now it is 10:16. I feel like this morning is really long. Breakfast bread, eggs, avocado toast, and peanut butter toast because I love peanut butter. The weather's so nice! Breakfast with balls. Found the pillowcases. these. Ah! Your books.
Oh, yeah, thanks. Bro, are you serious?
I vacuumed the room just so everything's clean before we set up the furniture pieces. I need to drop off Buddy Boy at a school. We can do some grocery shopping. Ta-da! Breakfast time. Gonna be building the shelving today. I got this over the weekend and today's a Wednesday. I think it's more like I was procrastinating this. How do you open this? Interesting. My first time having peppermint tea. I think it's an acquired taste, to be honest. Mom was out, but chocolate cake. Okay, well then.
I was shaking electric, trying to stay calm and collected. On that summer afternoon, you were shining.
What do we think? Or I could do this if I wanted. I think it's kind of awkward because there's like a lot of space right there. Definitely not doing that. My panic is going up. Oh, whoa. Wow, it looks really cool. Oh my god. I fixed it. Actually, I don't know. I fixed it, but it still looks uneven. Supposed to be going to the gym, but I'll go see. I got some stationery the other day, and I just don't have any space for stationery or important mail. So I decided to get like the storage unit down here. I also got it's called a cabinet. I'll do that tomorrow because it's getting late. The campus binders. I also got the refill paper. Oopsie, sorry. This little stationery haul. Good morning. I blocked the mess so I don't have to see. Building the final part. I'm gonna be putting it right here. Here. I can finally have a place to put my books because I don't know where to put them. I have so many that end up stacking up like on the floor. Package from Flower Nose. They sent me some of their makeup a while ago. Their lip glosses are one of my favorite lip glosses. Also here with the parents.
I'm doing Instagram. So maybe like pictures.
It's a bit sweet, but it's good. We're doing fortunes right now. 88. Hey, I'm back. Here's the boba from earlier. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. Okay, I'm gonna say something and I feel like it's not gonna be a popular opinion. But that's alright. I'm not the biggest fan of boba. It's like I wouldn't choose to drink it. Like the only reason I would have it is because someone else wanted to get it or something like that. I think it's also because I'm not a big fan of like sweet drinks. I don't know. But the texture is really good. Today's a Friday and usually on Fridays all I do is edit. Around 5, Mom and I are gonna go do some Zumba, which I'm super excited for because I haven't done Zumba in a while. Finally get to try it, so it's exciting. I'm gonna go edit right now. No! Did you hear about, apparently they're reformulating Laneige Cream Skin? This is like one of the products I've just been using for so many years, and they're gonna change it. It could be better though, so that's why I'm not really like that sad. Today we're doing a photo shoot for the merchandise. Yes, we've been working a few months on this. Also, thank you to the wonderful team for really running it, I feel like. Hopefully it doesn't sound like I'm quitting YouTube, because I'm not. The slice of life videos, they're basically just my video diaries over the past couple years. But it was around this time when I started like the first episode. I don't know. But there's just something in me that told me that I should move on from it and start something new. Because I will be starting something new. This is not, there's no end really to anything. It's just that I'm gonna kinda have a different concept. It's not that much different, really. Thank you for your support so far. And I hope you continue to watch the new videos and the new series. There is no end to anything. Just saying. I'm just saying that just in case the title sounds confusing, but it is the last slice of life video. I remember when I was thinking of a title for this series, I had no idea what it should be, and then one night it just popped in my head. I can never sleep, and then all these ideas just popped in my head, and that was one of the ideas. I hope you enjoy this video. I'll see you next week. Bye. From the floor. There's a balloon tree right there. Finally got open. So good. Oh no way. Don't tell me it's more to open.